Namaste. In our previous introductory video, I had introduced the basic concepts of meditation. In today's practice, we will do a simple meditation practice using the conscious breath. And the postures we will use today will be either sitting on a chair, on a simple chair without any cushions, pushing your hips to the back of the chair, having your knees parallel to your hips, feet resting on the floor, flat. Chin slightly tucked inwards and your hands lightly resting on your knees. The second option is the way I'm seated today, which is cross-legged. Sitting on the edge of a pillow, as you can see, allowing the hips to tilt slightly forward and thus allowing the knees to come down gently onto the mat. Placing both my hands on the knees, allowing the elbows to be nice and soft, shoulders nice and relaxed, chin slightly tucked inwards. Softly close your eyes and bring your awareness to your natural breath. Softly and gently inhaling through the nostrils into the lungs and exhaling smoothly out through the nostrils. Bring your total awareness into the present moment. Let go of whatever has happened so far in the day, or whatever you need to do after this practice. Relax your shoulders, relax all the muscles in the jaw, soften your eyebrow center, and with each inhale, allow your belly to gently expand as you inhale and gently contract back as you exhale. Sitting nice and tall, with each inhale, imagine there is a string attached to the top of your head. And with each inhale, it's gently pulling you up towards the ceiling, millimeter by millimeter. Inhaling, the belly is gently expanding and your spine is growing tall. Exhaling, allow every muscle in the body to relax. And now slowly take your awareness to any sounds outside the room. And without any judgment, let go as you hunt for another sound. And now slowly bring your awareness to any sounds inside the room. And again, in a similar fashion, let go without any judgment as you hunt for another sound. Maybe the sound of a clock nearby, or the sound of your breath, or maybe the sound of even your heartbeat. And now draw that awareness back to the natural breath again. As you're inhaling and exhaling smoothly through the nostrils. Intently follow the breath as you inhale through the nostrils, throat into the lungs. And intently follow the breath as you exhale out, lungs, throat and the nostrils. Slowly start deepening that breath just a little bit more. Remember not to force the breath, but it's just the natural breath. Shoulders totally relaxed, elbows nice and soft, forehead nice and soft, jaw relaxed. Total awareness on the breath. And with the next inhale, slowly introduce a mental count. So as you're inhaling, mentally counting 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, to whatever count that's only comfortable. And then as you exhale, slowly mentally count backwards, 1004, 1003, 1002, 1001. And just keep repeating that at your own pace. Inhaling smoothly and naturally and counting mentally upwards. Exhaling smoothly and naturally through the nostrils and slowly counting backwards. At any stage, if the mind wanders, which it might occasionally, gently draw it back to the breath, back to the count, back to the practice without any judgment. And this can be done as long as you're comfortable with. And towards the end, slowly bring your awareness back to the breath again. Bring your awareness back to where you're seated, on the mat or on the chair. Awareness back to your surroundings, to the time of the day. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, bring both your hands in prayer, thumbs touching the heart center. Take a nice deep inhale. And once you're acclimatized, gently open your eyes at your own pace. Namaste. So that was a short practice, as you would have noticed, using the breath and a mental count. And that counting and mentally focusing on the breath can be prolonged, elongated as long as you please. I would normally recommend the practice between 8 to 12 minutes, and then most importantly, coming out of the practice in a careful manner that will allow you to come back into reality. So in the future videos, I'll be posting a few more on how to enhance this practice a little bit more, using sound, using visualization, and yeah, keep looking out for those, and thank you and namaste again.